haven't eaten rice for 4 months to lose weight. Today I'm breaking that rule. It has a light salted egg yolk flavor. Not too strong, just a faint salty aroma. When I ordered this rice, the owner said people who don't like salted egg yolk might find it strange, but I think it's delicious. Maybe it's because I haven't eaten rice for so long. It smells amazing. They added butter and lemon juice during the frying process, so when you eat this fried rice, it doesn't taste greasy. Here's a shrimp for you. The shrimp tastes very fresh. This is my first time seeing butter used in fried rice. The butter enhances the aroma, and the lemon juice reduces the greasiness. It's really great. I brought an iced black tea from home, but when I took it out, I realized I didn't have a straw, so I asked the owner for one, and he gave me a long one. It's already past 11 p.m. Eating this whole plate will definitely make me gain weight. To sum up, their salted egg yolk fried rice is truly delicious, but the price is a bit high. I think it's more suitable for people who enjoy the taste of salted egg yolk. Also, since they use butter and lemon juice, it feels less oily. That's a plus. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye. As soon as I reached the shop entrance, I saw the sign, Fried Rice 88 Yuan. Hello everyone, I'm Xiaojie. Today I'm here to try what's said to be the most expensive fried rice in Chengdu. People call it the Rolls Royce or Hermes of fried rice. I once filmed the most expensive bun, which cost 90 yuan each, and also tried the most expensive twice-cooked pork, 20 yuan per slice. You can find those videos on my page. Of course, we have to try this so-called Hermes Fried Rice. It's just up ahead. Let's go. Brother, how much is your most expensive fried rice? 85 yuan. You could make it 88. Sounds better. Doesn't matter. It's just 3 yuan difference. Let's go with 85. Alright, you've got green peppers, pork intestine, dried tofu, sausage, and this one. Is it bacon? Yes. What's that? Pig head meat, pork stomach. That's quite a luxury set. Yes. Do you have something even more luxurious? Depends on what you pick. You can add more if you want. Is that beef? Yes. Oh, beef. Pig ears. Add a chicken leg. Everything's braised meat. Yes. We'll film this in one take, no cuts, so you can see the full process of the Hermes Fried Rice. This place is called Yuan Mingji. Yes. Over 10 years ago, people already called their fried rice Hermes Fried Rice. Oh, really? Back then they didn't add this much meat. This is from the Luxury Fried Rice Festival, right? Yes, people just love this style. The first customers were 2 girls. At first there was no meat, and I asked what's going on? They said, if you want meat, add it. Some people complained that the fried rice had no meat. They said, look, I added 2 big pieces of meat, plenty of it. People come here no matter what. It's popular. It costs 85 yuan a serving. Do you think that's expensive? Not really. Things are expensive everywhere now. Everything costs more these days. First, they stir-fry the ingredients. Some people say it's overpriced, others say it's good. They cook everything carefully, so it's not ordinary. The portion is generous. Normally you look for meat in the rice, but here you look for rice among the meat. I can taste the money in this dish. It hurts to eat. 85 yuan per plate. Some people call it the Rolls Royce of fried rice, but I think it's more of a marketing gimmick. It's not exceptionally tasty, though the amount of meat is impressive. There's a mix of all kinds of braised meats, but when fried together, they can feel a bit heavy. Would you spend 85 yen to try this Hermes Fried Rice? Thanks for watching Nihao Bites. See you in the next taste of China.